Warren County in west central Mississippi until 9 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:57 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Between 2 and 4 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Vicksburg, Raymond, Utica, Newman, Regenton, and Learn. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.